from Africa.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. This is the story of why monkeys swing in the trees. This story is all about me. You see, we didn't always swing in the trees, you know. We used to stay in the ground and play. And we loved to whine crocodile up.
Careful, monkeys. If you keep pulling that end, you will find that the other end has teeth.
Ow, monkeys.
Crocodile.
Me, one of the scariest animals in Tinga Tinga.
What's up, Hook, my friend? You look snappier than normal.
I'm fed up to the teeth with those mischievous monkeys.
You need a monkey plan, Croc. Something to show those monkeys who's the boss around here. Something you can really get your teeth into.
Like what?
I'll get back to you on that, Croc. Hey, don't snap at me. I'm on your side, remember?
If you come up with a good plan soon, then maybe I will reward you with an egg or two for your supper.
Okay, it's a deal, Croc.
But if you call me Croc one more time, I may just have you for my supper.
Okay. Keep your teeth in.
Big gray clouds. That means the rain is here. And big rain. Better tell all the animals, and quick. There's rain, and big rains are coming. Rains are coming. Big rains are coming.
The clouds are nearly upon us, which means every animal must find shelter.
I knew Lion was going to say that. He always says that. You always say that. Say what? I knew Lion was going to say that.
Monkeys, will you stop chattering and keep away from that mango tree? Remember the last time the rains came? The river rose and you got stuck up the mango tree, didn't you? Well, don't let it happen again.
We knew he was going to say that. Everybody's gone. They've all come to hide from the rains. And you know what that means. I know what that means. I know what that means too. More mangoes for us.
Nice one. Now I have a really good plan. That means eggs for supper. Hey, Croc. Lion says the big rain is coming. Remember the last time the monkeys got stuck?
I do.
Remember how the monkeys can't swim?
And this time, there's nobody to save them.
Except us.
Us? Why would we save them?
Well, you could tell them that you would take them across the river and save them, but that would be a very good moment to catch them.
Now that is a very good plan. So what are we waiting for?
That is what we are waiting for, Croc. The rains. And I'd lay off the smiling, Croc, if I were you. It makes you look nasty.
I am nasty.
Okay. Keep your teeth in.
I love the rain. It makes me cool.
I love the rain, but I'm cool enough already.
We love the rain. It makes things grow.
I love the rain, but I'm grown enough already.
Let's sing!
We love the rain. We love the rain. The rain.
Look at all those mangoes. Let's get picking. Mangoes.
they are, stranded, just like I said.
Look at that big juicy mango. Let's save the best one for last.
No. We should eat the best one first and the worst one last.
I thought it was the first one worst and the last one best. Now that's just silly. Now you've been really silly. Help!
Help!
Somebody save us!
We're stuck in a tree.
Did I hear a monkey calling for help?
I do believe you did.
Help!
And not just one monkey calling for help, but 3!
Jumbo monkeys, stranded up the tree again?
Yes.
What a terrible shame.
I am sure my friend Crocodile will take you back to dry land.
Aha. But only one at a time.
What? You'd help us, Crocodile? After all the times we pulled your tail?
Oh, Croc knows that was just a bit of fun, don't you, Croc? So, who's first?
Me.
Wait for the last one, the big cheeky one. Save the best till last.
See you on the other side. Save a mango for me. Will do.
Well, little monkey, it's a beautiful wet day here at the water hole, and believe it or not, this is the water hole. Dryland.
Woo, Crocodile. Save a mango for me. Okay.
And over there, that's where Lion found his roar. Oh yes, good times, good times.
Jumbo monkey.
Haraka. Hurry. The water is up to my feet.
Not so fast, monkey. Crocodile is a kind beast, wouldn't you agree?
Oh, yes, Lizard.
So you'd understand why it hurts Crocodile when you treat him with disrespect.
Disrespect?
That's exactly what I mean. Now you just apologize to Crocodile right now.
Dear Crocodile, I'm very, very sorry. And I will try never to do it again. Ever, never, ever.
Apologies are all very well and good, but this time Crocodile wants something more.
Of course, anything. Just tell me what it is.
Crocodile.
Your heart.
My heart? Well, why didn't you say so? If it's my heart that you want, you must both promise to turn your heads and look the other way. I don't want you to see me take my heart out, do I?
Oh, no.
That would be nasty.
Ready? Not so fast, Crocodile. First, you must take me on your back to the other side. Then, I will give you my heart. Oh, quickly. Oh, I haven't got long.
Terrible monkey, welcome.
Oh, thank you. Oh no! Oh, here's my heart. Oh, now thank you, dear friends. Oh, remember me to everyone. Tell them.
This isn't a heart. It's a mango.
Oh, sorry, Crocodile. I didn't have the heart to tell you. Better eat it all up and make it snappy. That mango broke my heart.
And you are all just as bad. Always taking the side of the monkeys all the time.
Oh, come on, Croc. Don't be so heartless.
We could have a heart-to-heart about it.
From that day on, we never really trusted Crocodile again. And that's why monkeys swing in the trees.
One day I'll get that monkey. And the rest of you.
Oh, come on. You've got to see the funny side, Croc.
And don't call me Croc!
Okay, keep your teeth in.
And Lizard running about all over the place. Well, that's a whole other story. Oh, I give Snappy Crocodile a heart, all right.
Ah, little monkey.
That taught him a lesson.
Yes, but what did you learn from your story, little monkey?
It's not good to be snappy all the time.
Very good. Now come on, you can come down now.
I'm not coming down. I'm staying in the trees, just in case Snappy Crocodile's about. Woohoo!
It is nature's way.
Beneath the Tinga sky.
Woo!
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Choosa, come on, dance.
Tinga, tinga.
Imba, come on, sing.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Shuka, shuka.
Tinga, tinga,
Woo! Rooka, jump around.
tinga, 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 tinga.
Woo! Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.